Alrighty, good morning. I already charted out the highs and lows from yesterday's trading session. When I was reviewing my trades yesterday, I will remove pre-market highs and lows and make those updated to this pre-market. Probably do so in like 15 minutes just to be more, I can't speak, a bit more accurate. Really liking how things are responding to some of these levels. I mean, it's almost perfect. Come up, reject off this, come down and find some support here. So if we're opening, I mean, we still got about 10 minutes, but if we're opening around here, what I'm looking for is this to hold and potential move back up to this level. If this breaks, I'm looking for potential, move down, maybe towards that pre-market low level around 454.8 or so, where you see we found some support and bounced. So I'm gonna mark that level as well. I like that. To the downside, that would be a pretty clear target there. Yeah, that's pretty much. I'm not changing anything from the daily. Daily levels are still relevant. We have kind of this range that we're in, including here. We broke out of that range, sold back right into it. So we're within this range again, could be choppy. So that's something to take note of. I also do believe we have a bunch of news coming out today. So that could make things interesting. Oh yes, most of it pre-market though, thankfully, actually. Most of it pre-market. Things like initial jobless claims, the PCE index, PCE index coming in lower than expected, initial job claims coming in slightly lower than expected, or higher than previous but lower than expected, I would suppose. That's what that means. PC is related to inflation, so they say inflation's coming down. So they say. We had some people speak. The Chicago Business Barometer PMI is 15 minutes after open, so that's something to watch. And then pending home sales is coming in at 10 a.m. Eastern. I'll send that to the group so we can all be on the same page there. All right. Yeah, nothing too breaking. I like my daily levels that I have there. Feeling pretty strong about that. And just looking at like the hourly, it seems we're moving between those levels pretty well. You see, we kind of came down. Support here, resistance here, finding support here. So we could just see some chop. Today might not be a great day to trade, in all honesty. Oh man. Excuse me for yawning. I would like to trade a little better. Like yesterday I had these levels pretty much perfect and I didn't catch some of this. I caught this bull flag move up into this level for a small gain. But missed this perfect reversal signal at that daily level. So we'll see. Now that we're kind of like back within this range that we're in. Hopefully we get some decent price action, some decent moves. I think if we hold this level, we can see a return back to this level or pre-market highs. Pretty good chance. Just looking at how we were kind of in this trend a little bit. Once we broke out, where'd we go? Right up in here. We've kind of broken to that upside again, tested that, rejected. But if we hold this level, we can see a return back up. Yeah, I need to drink some of that coffee. So it looks like we are not holding this level. I mean, time will tell, but that throws kind of my initial idea out of the window, as if we held this level, looking for a turn back up to this level slash pre-market high. Be a nice move. But if we drop back, if we don't hold that, then we're kind of back in this channel, and we could experience some choppy days for sure. I mean, like we saw here. So, see. Like calls around 454. Pretty much every time we get down around that area, we reverse. Come down, reverse, reverse, come down, reverse, come down, reverse, reverse, come down. So, don't know if we'll get that low. Hey, how's it going? Oh, got us muted. How's it going, man?
Yeah. Good day, man. Hello.
We're kind of back in that range that we were in for the past 4 days or so. I wonder if we get choppy.
Yeah. No trade idea yet.
I liked if we held this 455.6 ish. If we held that level to possibly a move up to like the pre-market high, but kind of opened below it and looked like we're rejecting off it a bit today.
Yeah, and we have that news in 15 and 30 minutes.
Yeah, no,
Yeah. Let's see.
no clue how impactful that will be, but we'll see.
Yeah. I'll take it slowly.
You take any other trades other than that quick call yesterday?
Not really, no.
There's some beautiful moves to the downside. Oh my! Like later in the day.
Yeah, I saw that.
We got like a perfect, some perfect like break and retests. Just it's beautiful.
I saw that this morning, yeah.
Yeah, I was looking at that yesterday.
Oh, there we go to the downside again.
Yeah.
I mean, QQQ is holding for now. Maybe not.
Dang. Spy. What's good, Oscar? What's good? Early bird. Yeah, Oscar, there's some crazy moves. I missed that big move down. I caught some calls on the way up, but yeah, we had that rejection right at the level I had, and I just missed it. So don't feel too bad. I was there, and I still missed it. Yeah, I don't want it to be true, but I have a feeling we're gonna get a choppy day today. Just back in this range, and we were gifted with an incredible price action day yesterday.
Yeah, seems like QQQ is below pre-market low, but creating some down wicks. So I don't believe SPY can break down and hold, at least for now. Okay. What just happened?
If we get down around like 454, I really like a reversal down there. I mean, obviously we'll see what happens, but past like four, what, 5 trading days, we've bounced off that area. Or if that breaks, move to the downside. This is a pretty gnarly open though. It's like the exact opposite of yesterday. Yesterday we opened green, strong, then reversed real quick. I wonder if we almost do the same. Although everything is red. I'm seeing all the tech stocks. Jeez, man, it's just bleeding. Wow. This is pretty wild. That 2 minute candle opened and it was already like a 20-25 cent drop immediately on opening.
I maybe missed one Nvidia trade I was looking for to play.
Hmm.
Turned out to be nice one. $4.54 definitely in play for SPY.
Oh yeah. We do have that news coming out in like a minute and a half. I don't know if it's worth paying attention to.
I'm looking more for that 10 o'clock news.
The pending home sales.
Yeah, on the website I'm looking, it's like rated high volatility expected. So
Oh. Is that what website is that?
send you like a private message. On the filters there I choose only like USA.
It's loading really slow for me.
I don't know why.
Jeez. Jeez. This thing's just going.
454. But still we have some aggressive pullbacks.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right now we're just bouncing between yesterday's low and like the pre-market low. Maybe not the pre-market low, but I have a level around 454.8 from the pre-market that we bounced a few times. We've rejected off it like twice now. I just like that level because we had some consolidation and then like a big bounce from that area. So I figured I'd watch that. I don't know what's going on. I tried to go to that link you sent me and it's like just a white page. Bloomberg's all blown out.
I really don't know. Try to Google it.
Yeah. I'll give it a shot.
Is this the same link? Yeah.
I'll give it a. I'll try it again. It's just like it doesn't finish loading. It just sends me like a blank. Here, I'll send you a picture. It's really weird. I'll just try to like Google it and see if it will pull up.
Yeah, but it's definitely the best site for economic news.
Word, yeah, Bloomberg is legit. I don't know why it's not working for me, but that's all I get.
Oh yeah. I don't know.
Dang, what a bounce off yesterday's low.
Yeah. Break it up. Come on. I have also some kind of problems with internet. I have low connection.
Hmm.
Can you like hear me normally or?
Yeah, I can hear you.
testing that pre-market low.
Looks like we had some extra buy orders at yesterday's low a day. Got down there, wicked for a second, and then just reversed real quick. It's like right at the bottom of yesterday before we rallied. You know that... Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
No. Tell me.
I was gonna say that Scarface trades dude. I watched another one of his videos. He had like a 16-minute video on liquidity. I found that to be very useful. Like it's pretty cool to see it on the chart now.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I like him very much, but he posts a video of so many like trading strategies that he's not using.
Yeah,
Just to get, I don't know, views or something.
for sure.
But he has some useful videos for sure,
Yeah, no, that's what. Oh, I was just gonna say that's why I like the liquidity one, because it's like that's relevant to whatever strategy you trade, no matter what you're doing. Being able to identify like areas of liquidity is pretty solid. Like just right there, around the low of day, we just got down in there. You can see buyers picked up and pushed the wicks up, and then it's like quick reversal.
Yeah.
I'm starting to finally like feel more comfortable with my trading system, but I feel like I still hesitate sometimes. Like I see it work out in front of my face, you know. I just need to like trust in it.
I mean, yeah, of course, everybody needs time to get used to it. I'm also trying to like hold my positions without getting like emotional or something. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. I don't know.
Yeah,
To wait and it's
for sure. It's a lot of just screen time, just putting in the time watching it happen like over and over in front of you, so that you recognize it, you know.
yeah. And to be okay with that. QQQ is kind of weak now, despite above VWAP and looking strong for now. Maybe just forming another like lower high, but I don't know. I really don't know what to think at the moment.
Yeah, I'd be curious to see if we come up and how we handle that level that we rejected off of in the morning, kind of like the high of day. If we reject there again, or if we break through. But yeah, that's what you mentioned earlier. Something that I need to, jeez, excuse me, I need to work on is holding trades longer and Yeah, like you said, not getting scared out of a trade or something. Although yesterday, exiting that trade was the very exact right thing to do. Once it started turning around.
Yeah. That was some nasty reversal.
I was looking at that. You know how we got that weird like wick on the charts?
Yeah, on SPY.
Yeah, it almost like with the aggressive sell-off that we had. I'm just spitballing. I don't know if this is right, but it almost makes me think that we had some like crazy like dumping, like a
It's
large amount of dumping, and it was like a liquidity thing.
I know people say that's a dark pool wicks. Have you ever heard of dark pool?
I've heard the term, but I don't know what it means.
Mm, Yeah, at the moment I cannot give you like
I'll
some
look it
good
up.
answer, but whenever that happens, they say they are dark pool wicks. It basically means they are orders that did not go through but were existed or something like that.
Yeah, I just looked it up, and they said these wicks can give a general direction as where the price will travel to, not always, but in short-term time frames. But that's what I was gonna say. Is it wicked all the way down to like a level, and then it sold right back down to that level before like any sign of relief. It just made me think it was like a big sell order that like didn't fill immediately or something. It was weird.
Yeah. So yeah, basically traders that I was following, I don't know, not anymore, but they say that those are the dark pool wicks. And on Thinkorswim, I believe you can like edit them to
Hmm.
move. Yeah. But not before when they happen you can remove that, not before. Not
Yeah.
before that. I have that 455.10 level on SPY, it's holding for now. Whoa. Whenever we say something,
Right?
yeah, it's the news, right?
Oh yeah, that's true. It's the pending home sales. That's funny.
They say minus 1.5% better than expected.
Huh.
They say the numbers are better than expected, whatever it means.
Oh. It's kind of testing that pre-market level right now. Oh. Oh. All right.
Yeah, QQQ making low of the day. very aggressive day, you know.
Yeah. Curious to see if that that area holds again as we approach down into it.
But QQQ much weaker than Spy.
Looks like some buyers are stepping in for sure.
Yeah, I definitely missed that Nvidia trade. I can send it to you if you want.
I'd be interested. Yeah, I don't really watch too many individual names.
It's very nice when this happens.
A reversal off that bottom. There's some serious buys coming in.
Yeah, again low.
Look at that.
Wow.
Nuts. I wanted to see a bit of consolidation. I was thinking about maybe trying to call down there if it looked like we were on hold, but yeah, we just reversed out of nowhere. I don't know. It's kind of an interesting day to say the least.
Hello.
Hey, what's up, man?
Hey, bro, it's Oscar. I'm the I'm the one in the comments, man. How's
Yeah,
it going,
yeah.
bro?
It's going well. How you doing?
Good. I've been um I've been just watching the market and stuff. Yeah, I've been watching you for a little bit, but I'm like, I feel like we have the same style. It's crazy. Like you look at the same things that I look at. I was thinking like, man, maybe has he ever thought about looking at like time and sales and order flow and stuff? Like, I feel like that's kind of helped my trading a little bit, honestly.
Yeah, no, I've heard of it. I haven't spent much time like looking into it though. I just pulled up time
Yeah,
and sales and I'm looking at it right now. I'd probably need to
yeah.
understand it a
Um,
bit more.
Yeah, I could probably put a couple videos on Discord and stuff that I think that I don't know if you heard of Usmar.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, he has a couple of like of um of videos on order flow and time sales, and he put it together. Like in the beginning, like I've been trading for like a year, but sometimes I would have these lines like these support and resistance lines and stuff like that, or like higher lows, and then my bias was always on the wrong side. I'm like, okay, when it hits this level, I'm gonna get a call,
yeah,
but then it would, it would just reject or whatever. So I'm like, I think there's something missing there, right? Like I'm like I'm probably not reading. I'm not either my either the candles. I'm not reading the candles right. But then I'm like, I'm pretty sure like I know that already. I've done it for a while, but I usually record myself, and I was going back into the videos, and I was seeing huge orders on like key levels, and I'm like, wow, how did I miss that? I'm like, I already just blew by that.
yeah,
And then you start really seeing these big like corporations put like buying like 15,000 shares, 18, and you're just like, oh, it makes sense why it rejected off, or it makes sense why it bounced. But I'm gonna put some down there. It's cool. It's like it's helped me a lot and stuff.
yeah. Feel free to throw that. We have like a
Yeah,
knowledge channel. If you have any videos, I'd be
yeah,
curious to see that.
I was looking at all that, and I was like, wow, for a while I've been trying to look for like maybe because in IRL, you really have, you try to trade, but you don't really have friends that might be interested in it, right? So then you're like, who do I talk to about this? About
Yeah,
all these theories or ideas. But yeah, I saw you put it yesterday on the chat, the Discord. So I joined, and I'm like, I'm probably gonna talk to him. What's your name, brother? Is it just so I can get it straight? Sorry,
no, you're good. It's Ryan.
Ryan. All right, Ryan.
Yeah,
Okay, cool, cool, cool. Hmm.
yeah. Welcome.
Yeah, let me look in here. Yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you. Uh, I always wake up and stuff. I've been, trying to tell my friends. I've been doing it for maybe like 9 months. Obviously, still not at the first year.
Yeah,
Trial and error and stuff like that. Oh my god.
Yeah, welcome, Mr. Orchestrating.
this is
Yeah, my name's Oscar. So I'm like, like Orcas is the same letters, but just mixed up.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What's your name, brother?
It's Ivan.
Ivan. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for sure.
man.
That was perfect.
Hey, how do you? I used Webull, but I feel like Thinkorswim is the better platform, correct? Like in terms of like, what do you think is like preference?
I think it's probably preference. I
Yeah.
I haven't used Webull, so I can't really speak on it, but I know a lot of people do. It has a pretty good like UI and
Is it
everything.
hmm, yeah. Probably. Let me look at it. Yeah, find the videos that I had put on the channel. I mean, on the Discord channel. Let's see. Let's see. Mm,
Oscar. Seems like an energy guy. We need one of those.
Yeah, what happened? Everybody seems like a lot of the group isn't hopping on anymore.
I don't know where's Sam.
Yeah, he's been on, but like Gil's been out. I haven't seen Josh or oh, what's his name? Damn it.
Mike.
Yeah, exactly, Mike. It might just be. I know Mike had a kid recently. He's probably busy with that.
With that thing.
I think Fooley is doing his own, like recording his trades and everything. It does help to go back and be able to like watch them and see.
True, yeah. I was thinking about just record myself doing the trades.
Yeah.
Just because of not taking stupid trades.
Yep. And it will still happen. I've definitely recorded myself taking dumb trades. It just sucks worse when you go back and watch it and you're like, oh, what was I doing?
Buys on that level. 455, 10 again.
Yeah. Yeah, it's looking pretty bullish. I guess just entering down around the low of yesterday would have been probably the best trade, but I want to see how we react here if we set a like a higher high or if we reject off this area.
Yeah, now when you look SPY 5 minutes, we did not move at all since the open.
Yeah, we're like 20 cents away from where we opened. Yeah, I figured we might get some chop today. I just had a feeling. I mean, there's definitely some decent moves, but they're kind of more of scalps. It's like we don't have a trend. We're just kind of bouncing around between levels. That high, so we got a new higher high. I'm really curious to see what happens up at this level above us. Tested that level. Looking at, I feel like this is happening pretty quickly. Like I was watching for a rejection around high a day, but I wanted to see like some confirmation, but we just reject like immediately. It's not really giving me the entries I want to get, I guess.
And we are now above 455.10. For me, that's a nice level to watch. If you look on a half hour, 30 minutes chart, here are some cold and rejections of that level. Last couple of weeks, not weeks, days. Yesterday it was a big level. If you look on a 5 minute, it was double bottom
Yeah.
yesterday. And when we break it, we had like a dollar move down in the last hour of trading yesterday. And we are holding that level now. At least we are trying to hold it, I don't know. I turn on 2 minutes now.
Yeah, I mean, we're forming a series of higher highs and higher lows so far. I mean, aside from we haven't broke the high a day. But in the past like 30 minutes, we've looked pretty bullish.
Yeah, but be careful, QQQ looks weak again at the moment, so we might just stay around and do crazy shits.
Roger that. Oh, what's going on, man?
Got a hop off?
I will before long.
As my parents over. I didn't trade.
You gotta get your parents trading.
Nah.
All right, Mom, this is support.
Should.
You see this hammer candle right here? That's perfect.
Mom, I'm down 10 grand.
Mom,
Okay with it.
Mom pulled a mortgage on the house. Oh man.
Where my money's going. You guys place any trades?
None yet. I've hesitated and missed out on some good ones. Yeah, it is what it is. Kind of a it's
Drop in the morning and then close to 454.
yeah, exactly. That's what I was looking for. Really, we didn't quite get down there.
I feel like it's like a danger zone right now.
For sure.
It could easily go down, but if it breaks 450, 550, could have a nice push up.
Yeah, I'm really just kind of watching around that high a day that we rejected off in the morning. I want to see if we look weak up there again, or I mean, we kind of did on the previous 5 minutes, but that's an area for me where we either that's like make or break. Do we set a new high or do we reject again? You know.
Mhm. I'm thinking it drops, but never know.
We're like forming a flag on 2 minute, 1 minute on SPY.
Mm-hmm.
Right above that level. So let's see. If we touch like a quick, if we have a quick touch on pre-market low and hold it strong, I might be interested in some help and calls.
The break to the downside.
And I'm not longer interested.
Right back on.
Maybe yes. Maybe.
What was that click? Get in?
What's up?
Not mine. Not mine.
I heard a click. Like somebody got in.
No, I didn't get nothing.
Oh.
It might have just been my mouse. I was dragging the chart. What
What are you doing?
are you doing? Tell me. I'm looking if we hold this. Maybe look for a little bounce here, but I don't know. It'd just probably be more of a scalp than anything. I do like on the hourly chart, we're kind of, if we hold this level, I'll be watching, but nothing yet.
Yeah, I'm really not longer interested in calls here. That 2 minute close
There's opportunities, just a matter of like finding the perfect rejection.
It's been like moving, reacting my levels pretty well. I think I'm just hesitating on the entry because I want to see like a good confirmation, but it seems like we reverse before I get that.
Yeah, it's been hitting my levels like in that range. 454, 455, 50.
Trying to go up again.
You guys look at the MACD.
I do not.
Not me also.
I pretty much use no indicators, but
Yeah.
I have an EMA on my 5-minute, but that's about it. Still trying to figure out how to use that. I found it works really well in like a trending market, but like on a day like today, it's pretty useless. The EMA, that is.
Yeah.
Well, the MACD's been like red this whole time since open. It's finally starting to get like a little bit of green.
MACD is like a squeeze momentum indicator or something like that.
I'll show you what I mean.
It's the moving average convergence divergence. Is what it stands for. So I think it takes two different moving averages and then it's like, yeah, it just overlays them. When one crosses the other, it's like a bullish or bearish sign, you know?
Yeah.
Put in the chat.
Oh, there's a little push.
Oh yeah, I know what it is.
I might get in on a little scalp here to the upside, see if we bounce.
I just took something.
Whoa. Strong one.
A lot of volume coming in. A lot of volume coming in.
Close to the resistance level, man. I mean that break of a bull flag.
I took a small position though.
Yeah, same. I saw it hold that level, and I've been watching how we've been bouncing around, so I figured I might be able to get a quick scalp out of it. Also, we got a huge volume spike when we held that level, so I feel decent about at least a short-term push here.
I'm with you. I took also
Looks
position
good right
on
now.
all of pre-market low. Good luck to us, I guess.
Yeah, we'll see if it makes a move or it just gets stuck up in that area where it rejected earlier.
Stop for me is probably like 454.60.
For me, I believe it's below pre-market low.
Yeah, if we get below that wick that we put in, I'm out. I want to have a tight stop there. I took 2 contracts. I already trimmed one on that push up just to de-risk. because it's not a trade that I'm like A plus feeling 100% on. It could go either way.
What percent was that? You know?
I'd have to do some quick math.
Um,
What's like
do you know what
$11 out of
the
what's up?
basement thing is?
Yeah.
Well, I use that to basically get my percentages.
Gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. I just do mental math on how much my contract. Oh, sorry.
I change the value, so like my entry is 0%, and then I have like a 10%, 20%, 50%.
Gotcha.
I'll see if I can show you what I mean.
Okay.
Yeah, if we can just push up here, I would not mind if we got back up to like 455.6. That'd be beautiful. Put in that higher low. Go test that recent high. Come on now.
Nice, I trimmed some here.
Yeah, it's a good place to look for it.
Or maybe one pre-market high.
The rest probably out at my entry.
You're targeting pre-market high, fucking sender, buddy. We're right at that area that we rejected off of, so I'm a little cautious in here. But oh man, the contracts are moving pretty well. I got 455, so now that we're in money, it's looking nice.
QQQ also hold 388 pretty nicely.
Keep it going.
Yeah, so right around the area that we rejected earlier, so we'll see. Hopefully we don't just reverse.
Put it in the buyer stick.
No, I don't like the rejection.
Yeah. We'll
I
see.
don't like break even.
It's holding EMA so far in 5 minute.
I'm giving it a chance. But ready to get out if anything. It's good. Good thing I trimmed.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
trimmed one, but I was holding to see if we could hit that that level above us. Still holding on. We'll see here.
Well, that was a decent push. Nice percentage on that push.
Hmm.
I'm break even, boys. I'm going to get some coffee. See you in about
Sounds good. Yeah, I don't really like the look of it on 5 minutes. It's kind of ugly. If we don't get some sort of push up here, it's not looking so great. Yeah, I'm out. Get me out. What a shit reversal there. I had such a minor profit on that. I should have taken it when we pushed up. Or I guess when we got to that point we reversed. I don't know. What a choppy day.
That turned pretty quick.
It turned so quick, dude. That's how today's been, though. It's like it doesn't really give a reversal signal. It's just like a nice bullish candle and then a huge red candle eliminates it immediately. Like it's been like the story of today. Just like kind of hard to read. Wow. Well, I'm glad that I cut when I did. What a sell-off. That's crazy. Now the real power play is to buy calls down here. Where we bounced like 3 times already. There it is. There's some buyers coming in. I want to try a quick scalp. We'll try it. Setting my stop at the low of that candle that we put in. And I'm targeting, ooh, that pre-market level. We're almost there.
Yeah.
Poor favor.
Let's see.
But maybe the buying orders have ran out after like 3 bounces down here already today. There's a lot of volume coming in down at this level.
Come on.
Yeah, it's struggling a little bit. I think the buyers have ran out of gas. Once we get a decent push here, but on a 2-minute we're getting... Yeah, there it is. That stopped me out. Alright, I'm done for the day.
I sent a picture to the group chat. That's why I use the. What I mean, I use the Fibonacci line.
Oh, got you, yeah.
Yeah, I do a lot of trading based off of like percentages, making profit and all that.
Ton of volume coming in right now. So we might still get a bounce. Oh, here it comes.
Still holding it. I don't like my entry though, so I don't know how patient I could be if it goes back up.
Ton of volume coming in. Really high volume.
But it's not moving much.
No. But it's holding that level, which is a good sign.
A little bit of a push.
Yeah, I got stopped out a little early. I put it right below like the low. Or like right at the low, and that push down got me.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Dang, look at this. Look at it go now.
My entries have been killing me lately. Like
Yeah.
good entries, so like it's hard to be patient. So I'm getting out too early and then big move after.
Yeah.
Entries cool.
Alrighty, I'm out, man. Good luck.
Alright, brother. Have a good one.
Thank you as well. Alright, peace out, everybody. Good luck. Have fun. I'll be back tomorrow.